Now we install the throttle. This state is before adjusting. Now we increase the throttle to max. We can see point 1 is not touching point 2. But the max state corresponds to point 1 touching point 2. So we need to make adjustments. First, we turn the left screw to ensure that point 1 touches point 2. Next, we release the throttle to allow point 3 to touch point 4. Afterward, we adjust the bolt to lock it in place. Now, when rotating the handle, the throttle should be able to reach both maximum and minimum positions, indicating success. So, as long as we ensure that when we twist the throttle, the carburetor's position can reach both maximum and minimum, it will be sufficient. The exact number of increments does not matter.